Good morning everyone. Today we're looking at another Timex watch. Today we're going to be looking at the Timex Easy Reader watch. Before we actually look at that though, I'm going to have a brief look at the box. So the actual standard Timex box is just a simple lift off lid fashion with that shape that's cut diagonally, as you can see here. A nice sort of wine red or Merlot red sort of colour to the underside of the box and a grey topping to it. So inside the box, let's have a little look. So here we go guys, this is the Timex Easy Reader 38mm. Just a little bit about the watch. You can buy this watch for as little as around about probably £40, £30 on Amazon. Watch weighs similarly in around about 46 grams. It's only a very, very light watch. You've got a date dial as well. A model number TW2P75600. As you can see, it's just a standard sort of Easy Reader watch style. I would take this out of the box, but it's got the sort of the clip on the back. But because this watch is an Easy Reader, we can have a look at it whilst it's in the actual box itself. So yeah, having a little look at the watch here, you can see it's got a nice simple ticking movement to it. The hand doesn't actually appear to line up with the increments very well, as you can see from this. But it does depend on the sort of the angle you have the watch angled at. But even regardless of whatever angle, it still doesn't seem to line up. But it's no matter. Little look at the face. We've got a plain white finish, non-sunray style dial with a simple non-luminous Easy Reader number system and a full black second hand and a stainless steel chrome finish. Sorry, not second hand, minute hand black, hour hand black, second hand, it's chrome mirror finish. Inside the watch as well, you've just got these little dash systems going around the inside of the face. A little bit about the watch you might not know about is the Indiglo nightlight system. So it will light up, this is under my impression, this will light up at night, but only slightly. I believe it's one of those old-fashioned ones where you need to shine a torch on it to keep it luminous, but it should shine up in the dark. But I assume that's what it's going to be doing. We've also got a date dial down at the 3-digit. Come around to the casing. We've got a full mirror finish casing, as you can see from this here. No defined bezel, as you might imagine, it's just a simple watch. Full mirror finish going all the way around as well. Let's have a little look at the crown, see if I can get access to that. A nice, simple, strong movement to it, ideal with the price point that we paid. Can be a little bit fiddly trying to get it out to the first position to change the date. Yeah, it's a bit of a cheap mechanism, but in terms of the actual hand movements, the winder system seems good, but the actual crown movement seems to be a bit sort of. I'm trying not to pull it too hard because I keep pulling it too hard and it comes out to here. But yes, it's a little bit fiddly to try and get you to change the date. So you probably change the date if you wind the watch up, if you've got that sort of patience. We would look at the back of the casing, but I'm just gonna. So the back of the casing would probably just have that. Obviously, the waterproof level. As you can see from this, it's waterproof to 30 meters. We're going to have the model number on the back as well, and the Timex plating, and any sort of release numbers and stuff like that. It's not a limited edition or anything like that. Looking on the side, we can learn a little bit more about the sort of the design and the information about the strap. But we just read there that the strap itself is a simple leather strap with obviously a lined stitch system. I would like to see the actual clasp, but I can tell you from here that we've got a mirror finish clasp in there, stainless steel finish of course, and our full sort of papers tucked behind the watch here. As I say, I would like to take this out, but I would like to keep this new if possible. So there we go guys, that is the Timex Easy Reader 38mm with a case thickness of 9mm.